Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to go ahead and do this Christmas design today. Now, I lost a lot of footage or a lot of clips for this specific design. So this video is kind of going to be all over the place. I'm sorry. And, look where I'm starting. I've already started applying acrylic. I went ahead and applied tips. I recorded that part, but for some reason I cannot find it. So this is how the video is starting today. So I'm just applying some regular cover acrylic. This has a little bit of a hint of pink, like kind of like a nude acrylic. So I'm applying that on the tips of the nails and just building it up. Now on the pointer finger, as you guys can probably see, I did kind of like a smile line on there. Instead of me actually polishing on some gel polish, I'm going to be doing some acrylic. You guys are going to see that it's going to be like a French glitter on the pointer finger, and on the pinky finger you guys can see I'm going to be fading some glitter on the pinky finger. So that's why I'm applying the cover first, and then for the other two nails I'm just going to do some full coverage on there. So again, I apologize, this video is going to be a little bit confusing because there's going to be some clips missing, but just bear with me, y'all. So I'm going to be applying this red glitter mix, but I'm first applying some clear acrylic as, the base, and have the glitter to have something to stick onto. So I'm applying that at the tips, and then I'm going to apply the glitter and kind of apply it a little bit heavy on the tips and have it fading towards the cuticle area. So that's going to be on the pinky, and then on the pointer finger, or is it the middle finger? The middle finger. Middle finger is going to have that French. It's going to be French glitter. And then on the pointer finger, it's going to be full coverage of glitter. And then, of course, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the nail with clear acrylic. So here I'm just taking my hand file and just cleaning up that smile line, because I do see the hair where it's not really as straight as I want it to be. So I'm just filing off those little bumps and lumps, or whatever you want to call them, just to make sure that that smile line is nice and crisp and clean. right, y'all, so it's time for the design. So I'm taking some regular white gel polish and my nail art liner brush, and we are going to go ahead and start off with this snowflake design. So I'm going to be doing 2 snowflakes on the pinky finger, and this is probably just gonna be like self-explanatory. I'm starting off with a dot, and then I'm just taking my nail art liner brush and just kind of dragging the lines out a little bit. I had to do this more than once because for some reason it wasn't looking right to me. So if you guys see me wipe it off and then do it again, it's because I wasn't happy with it. But then we eventually got it right, and after I went ahead and cured it, which I probably should have not cured it before adding the dots. I probably should have added some dots and then dragged it out, but for some reason I cured it and then added the dots afterwards, so it kind of gave it like a bumpy effect. But it's cool, it's whatever, it still looked good. And then I decided to add a little rhinestone after it. So you guys see here, I am wiping it off because it just didn't look right, so I did it over, but it's okay, we got it done. Now this finger, this was one of the clips that I actually lost, me actually doing the sweater design on this finger. But it's pretty simple. I went ahead and did the French, the white French, of course cured that. I also added top coat prior to actually doing the actual sweater design. So I top coated the nail, and then I went ahead and did the sweater design. I did 2 lines going down the middle, and then I did kind of like a Z type design. Then I did some diagonal designs or lines, excuse me, down the sides of the nails, and then I added clear acrylic or white acrylic. You can also add white acrylic, and then I went ahead and cured it and then dusted off the remaining amount of the acrylic. That's how you do the sweater design. But I lost the clip, so sorry guys. I felt like this finger was a little bit plain, so I decided to go ahead and just add the red nail polish of what you guys saw just along the smile line, a really thin line or outline of the smile line, and then I decided to add some red glitter to give it kind of like a sparkly effect on that finger. I went ahead and topped off the excess glitter, and then I cured it, and then that was it. Now I did the same exact thing on this finger. I went ahead and outlined the smile line with white gel polish this time because we have red glitter, French tip. So we're outlining with white gel polish, and the only difference I'm doing is I wanted this nail to be like kind of like a snow icicle falling off the rooftop effect. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I didn't cure it. I applied some white glitter and then I cured it. Now for the pointing finger, this one I wanted to do something different. I originally was going to do like a candy cane design, but I said nah, let me do something different. So I think this is called maybe like a peppermint swirl, you know, those peppermint candies. This is the type of design that I wanted to do. I thought that it was really cute. I've never done it before, so this is like my first time doing it, and I think it came out really good. So I don't know how to explain this design. I guess you do like some white curved lines, and then I'm like, I don't know how to explain this, guys. Doing some white curved lines, and then in between those white curved thick spaces, I went in and did some regular white lines. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Just watch the video. See, now it all ties in together. I cured that, and for that space, I'm obviously not going to leave that like that in the middle. So I decided to add a charm. Now this is going to be a bow. So this nail design is kind of be like a probably like a peppermint gift type design. I don't know, I was just doing anything at this point. So I added a bow, and then on the pinky I decided to add some bling because I felt like this design wasn't blinged out enough. So I just decided to add some stones onto the flakes that you guys see there, and that was it. That was the only bling that I added. I promise. I didn't go overboard with this set with the bling. So of course, after doing the designs on all of the nails, we are top coating with our top coat and just making sure that those rhinestones are well sealed in place. And that's it. We cured it, and then that was it. I hope you guys liked this design. These are the final results. Really cute, really pretty, really Christmassy. I love red. Red is my favorite color. And I just hope you guys have a happy and Merry Christmas. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this set. And I will see you guys in my next video. Always remember, of course, to stay beautiful. Mwah! Bye, guys.